That Miss Lowe sure knew her way around a weenie. I stopped getting invited to parties after that.
I don't see what any of this has to do with your girlfriend breaking up with you.
Can I tell the story?
Sure.
Let's not forget who came to see who here.
I haven't.
Good. Her name was Marilyn. And we had so much in common. Boy, did she love to hear me talk. I'm serious. I haven't eaten one peanut butter and jelly sandwich my whole life without the bread crust cut off. Is that crazy? I wonder what bread crust even tastes like anyway. And now that I think about it, Mom never gave me a choice in the matter. Go to school and open my lunch and zing! No crust. I actually thought for a while that that's how bread was made. And when my friends had sandwiches with the crust intact, I just figured that their sandwiches were made from cheap bread or imitation stuff. And the crust was actually a defect in the manufacturing process. And they do make mistakes at bread factories, I'm sure. Nobody's perfect. There she is. I was getting lonely in here, babe.
Well, these old teeth don't clean themselves, you know. I used to have the sharpest incisors in my family. Now, about all this mouth is good for is eating cream of wheat and licking stamps.
Well, that's not all it's good for.
So, you got ready for that big quiz tomorrow?
I hope so. We spent so much time this week working on those flashcards. Thanks again for missing Bridge to help me with that.
Well, you know Esther is a bit upset with me for not showing up.
Esther.
I'd hate to have to go out and look for another bridge group.
Wasn't one of your sons saying that he knew of someone that was looking for an extra bridge player?
Frank's mother-in-law? She plays sheep's head, not bridge. And that game's for the birds.
Well, I'm sure you'll land on your feet. Just a second. Hello? Hey, man, what's up? No, I'm at Maryland's. Oh, that's tonight? Oh, crap. Do you think you could TiVo it for me or something? I'm not going to be making it back to the dorms tonight. Thanks, man. Alright, later, bro.
Who is that?
Just a friend of mine from school. They're showing Justifiable Impact, unedited, tonight on TV. I guess I just forgot about it.
This time of night?
I know, right? The nerve.
Does he know how to program his VCR? I never could figure mine out.
I don't think he has a VCR, actually. I think he's just going to TiVo it or record it on his DVR or something. I don't know. But it is definitely for the birds. Well, I guess it's that time. I love you.
You too.
Good night. Where you going, babe? I already closed the garage and locked the front door.
I'm gonna catch that show on cable.
You what?
Well, it sounds good. Way too early for bed anyway. I don't know how you do it, frankly.
We were basically the same person. A perfect match. The one I had been looking for my whole life.
So that's why you're here. To try to figure out how to get your old lady back.
You tell me.
Me, I don't think I'm qualified.
Oh, come on. Just give it to me straight. Please. This is what I came in for.
All right, Jesse. Here's what I think. Get out there and try something that you've never tried before.
I've never tried before. Well, like what?
These ladies you've been chasing. They all have the same thing in common. Can't you see that?
What are you trying to say?
Look, Jesse, it's time you put a new paint job on what it is that you're looking for. The answer's right in front of you. Just stop denying it.
You are a genius. Why didn't I think of this before?
Thanks, Doc. But
I'm not a doctor.
Well, that wasn't so bad. Now I gotta go get the kid.
All right, thank you, Mr. Lowe. Same time tomorrow. Good afternoon, Mr. Pendlestein. You're here early?
Hi, Dr. Hetfield. Yeah, I had to get out of the house. My wife was driving me nuts.
Well, it looks like my 1 o'clock's a no-show. I can take you now if you want.
Actually, you know what, Doctor? It turns out I'm not as messed up as I thought I was. But thanks.
I'm serious. I played Little League for like 6 years. I never was any good. And my dad played in college. He always wanted me to be the son he could play catch with on a sunny weekend's afternoon. I always wanted to play soccer, but he wouldn't have it. I never thought baseball was too dangerous of a sport. But wouldn't you know it, the first time I went into bat, I broke my leg sliding into first. Couldn't play soccer if I wanted to after that. Isn't this nice?
Dirty, she nasty, she swifts her hips, walks past me. She's kinda trashy and no, she got no backney. She's a cougar in her Mini Cooper. She's super duper, super duper, yeah. Me like it, she nasty, she swifts her hips, walks past me. She's kinda trashy and no, she got no backney. She's a cougar in her Mini Cooper. She's super duper, super duper, yeah. She does the hooky. She does the hooky.